good morning from Ho Chi Minh City. And yesterday was a phenomenal uh, event where we had some really awesome EO Vietnam members actually there. And after a great 2.5 hour session, the apparent score was about 10 out of 10, which I thought was incredible.
Traveling from Bangkok to Vietnam was a phenomenal experience where obviously I was invited by EO Vietnam to do a talk on AI and the future of AI and how it will impact businesses. So the day began by me traveling across from Bangkok. It was a reasonable time that I sort of left Bangkok, and I obviously went to Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City, and then we went straight from there to the hotel, did a quick check-in, and we were in the hotel meeting room to be welcomed by EO Vietnam members who were super excited. It's kind of funny though, I went there, I saw that the name was spelled incorrect. First of all, I'm not doctor, so there's a DR in front of my name, and they kind of got the Goodman part a little bit sort of incorrect, but it happens, right? I mean, I know I've organized events and I've got people's names wrong all the time. So, but it was really funny and equally really cute that was the case. And I thought a lot of people saw the impact of AI straight away, which I think is the most important part of these workshops, because if you don't implement these ideas into your business, what's the point of attending these webinars in the first place? So we had a good 15 people there at the venue, and we had about 4 people or so on the Zoom. It was an interactive session. We got people actually to go and make their own prompts. The task was to build a green Coca-Cola bottle with the label green on it, and people use ChatGPT, use Bing images to do it, and the aim really was to get their hands dirty with prompting and getting these tools used. So threw everybody in the deep end, but it did work out really well. All in all, great experience, really enjoyed it. I'll be there back in Vietnam very soon to do some more events. I think it's just a feeling of being able to help and showcase the opportunity with AI for everybody, because that's what it's all about really, isn't it? I feel there's a long way to go for people to kind of look at AI in the mainstream, as it were, more people to use AI on their daily life the way I guess people like myself who use AI. And once again, thanks to Dave at EO Vietnam and the EO Vietnam team. They've been amazing, and I just want to say thank you so much for the opportunity and look forward to being there back very soon. You take care guys, all the best.